and I am from class 10th B, and my topic for ASL is importance of yoga in a student life. Yoga in a student life is an art of healthy living. If an individual practices yoga regularly, he or she will definitely get good results for sure. Nowadays, students are lacking concentration towards studies and are confused. But yoga helps them to balance their mental situation and physique. Especially pranayam helps them to increase their concentration. Doing yoga helps them in many other ways, making them attractive from both within and outside. And also helps them in increasing their body flexibility, boosts immunity, and mainly releasing stress and fighting depression. A lot of students face depression, stress, and anxiety, but yoga helps them to overcome all the situations. Yoga also helps them to increase the amount of intake of oxygen by the body. Investing about half an hour daily for yoga will surely give you a good life. Thank you.
Okay, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it comes to as you're speaking about yoga. Do you think that after going for the exercises of yoga will make person the better, like?
Yes, ma'am. These exercises make a person better and pure from inside. It not only makes our body parts and our cardio good, but also our mental health. Taking pranayama, kapalbhati, these all makes a person's mind clear and makes him more think properly. As more and more oxygen gets to the mind, good brain cells start to increase all the hormones.
Okay.
We can think properly and positively.
Okay.
It sometimes comes in our mind that we should do a bad thing or not, but doing yoga will of course give us a positive way to face it,
Okay.
and of course making him a better person.
Yeah, so as you're telling me that improves upon your mental health as well as physical health. What about your spiritual health then?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is spiritual health?
Ma'am, if our mind is positive, we all automatically get a spiritual health. Thanking the person, the Almighty, for what we have makes already our mind spiritual. Gives us an idea that we have everything that I need, and if we don't have, we can achieve it by doing things properly in the right way, not going in any other wrong direction, and taking all things as a God gift, not as a bad thing or a damage to our life. But we should take it in a good way and make this helps us by the prayers. If we pray to God, our mind takes it that we thank Him that we have all the good things and you made us for a good purpose and we'll achieve it.
So there is
We'll
existence
help
of
ourselves and others too.
so there is existence of God, you believe, okay? Other than these yoga practices and
Ma'am,
all.
actually, if you ask me, I believe in God only 50%. Because prayers are, we are thanking God that, but it also is a one way to give peace to our mind. Sitting in one place and closing our eyes, thanking Him without thinking any of the thoughts, anything gives us a peace, and also we are thanking Him, but it also gives some good thoughts that why we should go in the wrong direction if we have all things. God's helping us, He's seeing us, why should we do that? So it stables our mind, and I believe in God, but it's not that He is there, but it's a way to just thank somebody who gave us all these things.
Okay. Why do you believe in your parents?
Ma'am, if I say truly, everyone in this world has wants something or else from us. Everyone, it's our closest friends, teachers, they want us to do well. Teachers and parents are almost the same. They invest their money, they invest their time, they invest their precious moments of life to us. Only so not because we can keep them properly, but so that we can do well in our life. We should not face any problems, any economic crisis, but we should do well. And with doing help of others, we can also help others. Not instead of taking their help, we can help them as a good person. So that's why.
Who has created you and the parents?
It must be the Almighty.
It is. Okay, it is. Okay, the Almighty. Who is this Almighty?
Almighty is God. He is a positive power. Just in my thoughts, is a positive power who likes to create people, who he wants to do good deeds so that they can understand the worth of a life, not wasting it doing bad things, doing any other things, but doing good deeds. And when it's end of our life, we should remember that yes, we have done something worthily, helping people, helping ourselves, helping many other people. So that's why it is a positive power.
Thank you.
Thank you.